Verbs are action words. When you know how to use a verb correctly, you can express what happened in the past, what's happening now, and what your plans and hopes are for the future. My name is Lotta Neumann, and if you've missed a grammar lesson or if you just need some quick revision, I'm here for you. This film is going to be about the infinitive form and the present tenses. You need to know that a tense is a time form when we speak about grammar. The present tense is what we mean when we speak about now. The past tense is what has happened before. And when we talk about future tenses, we are talking about how to express what we hope for and dream about in the future. Every verb has an infinitive form. That's the most basic verb form, and the form that you get when you Google a verb. You use the infinitive form with the infinitive mark, to. It's important to look before you cross the road. To be or not to be, that's the question. There are a couple of verbs that are more important to know than the others. They are to have and to be. They help us to form other verb tenses. There are other help verbs as well, but we'll learn more about that in another film. Most verbs in the present simple form look the same as the infinitive form in the first person. But in the third person, he, she, and it, you add an S. I play, you play, he plays, we play, you play, and they play. But to be is different. You say, I am, you are, she is, we are, you are, and they are. So let's talk about the present tense. There are actually two ways of expressing what is happening now, but in Swedish we don't really make a difference between the general now and the continuous now. But in English we say this in two different ways. I work, in general, as a nurse. That's my job. I'm working right now with some of the best doctors in the world. He plays football. He's a football player. Right now he's playing with Man United. She lives in London, and right now she's sharing a flat with 4 other people. This way of expressing what is going on right now is called the present continuous. You form the present continuous by using the correct form of the verb to be, plus the basic verb form and adding ing. So, are you ready to have a go? Have a look at these examples and see if you can put the right form of the present tense in the examples. Okay, here are the correct answers. He's sitting at the table. He's always sitting at that table. She is riding. She rides very well. They are eating ice creams. They always eat ice creams on Saturday. She's sleeping. She sleeps through most lessons. Okay, that was a very quick run through of the present verb forms. Keep working, keep practicing, and see you later. Bye.